This video shows how to buy shares of Critical Metals Corp, a company focused on extracting and processing critical metals for advanced technologies, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker CRML. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy CRML, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search and type the ticker CRML to locate Critical Metals Corp. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, you'll see basic company details and a price chart that tracks recent trading. Double-check the company name and ticker CRML to confirm it's the right asset. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order settings before confirming the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next open, and if you lack funds, the platform will ask you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your CRML position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description for a neutral link to eToro if you want to explore the platform.